In today's video, we're going to cover logical functions, including if, and, or, and not. The if function tests whether a statement is true or false, and returns a value if it's true, and a different value if it's false. In this example, we're going to see if cell C4 is greater than 60, enter pass, and if it's not, enter fail. As we drag the formula down, we'll notice that row 6 says fail because 58 is less than 60. Now what if the students had two test scores and we wanted to see if both of them were above 60? And if they are, return pass. If they're not, return fail. In this example, we'd use the AND function, although it will only return true if each statement in the function is true. And if one statement isn't, it will return false. In this case, if both cells C4 and D4 are greater than or equal to 60, return a true. If not, return a false. As we drag the formula down, we'll notice that row 6 still says false because both of the values are not above 60. Now, if you wanted to know if only one of the values was greater than or equal to 60, instead of using AND, we'd use the OR function. And that tests if at least one of the statements in your function is true, it'll return true. If all of them are false, it'll return false. Now we see that row 6 returns true because at least one of the test results is above 60. The NOT function simply reverses any true or false statement. So in this case, where our OR function returns true, if we were to put that entire function inside of the NOT function, that would return a false. And as we drag it down, you'll see that any result that was true is now false. The same applies if your original result was false, the NOT function will return true. If you got value out of this video and want to learn more Excel hacks, be sure to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be alerted each time a new video is posted, and so I can help you work smarter and not harder.